Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to hold down power key, then tap power off, and after your device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination power key and volume down for a few seconds at the same time. And after the screen turns on and you see this LG K22 logo, you can release all keys, and after that you will enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode, you can navigate using volume keys, and you can select options using power key. And here you have such options as restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, boot to FFBM, and start. If you want to exit this mode, just select first option start, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.